Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install the Morph mod in Minecraft. Let's get started. This mod is awesome because it lets you transform into a mob you defeat, adding a whole new level of gameplay. Before we start, make sure Minecraft is completely closed to avoid any errors. We'll be downloading three things: the Morph mod, the iTunes util, and Minecraft Forge. First, open your web browser and go to CourseForge. Search for Morph mod, open it, and head to the Files section and make sure you download the version that matches your Minecraft version. Click the three dots next to the file and select Download. Next, the Morph mod requires Forge, which is a mod loader. Go to official Minecraft Forge website and download the installer that matches your Minecraft version. Once downloaded, open the file and make sure Install client and is selected. Then click OK. If the file doesn't open, install Java from java.com and try again. Now, go back to CourseForge and search for iTunes util. This is a required library for the Morph mod. Download the version that matches your Minecraft setup. Once everything is downloaded, open the File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Then now open the Minecraft launcher and go to Installation, then find Forge version and click the folder icon next to it. This opens your Minecraft directory. Then look for a folder called Mods. If it doesn't exist, create a new folder and name it Mods. Drag Morph mod and iTunes util into the Mods folder. Then close everything and go back to the Minecraft launcher and make sure Forge is selected, then click play. When Minecraft loads, you should see the mods listed. To use the Morph mod, defeat a mob in game, and once defeated, press the left bracket key. Then press enter to transform. To return to normal, open the menu again and select your player form. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.